Hello, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, hello for the first time. If you do enjoy my videos, do please give me a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, that would be fabulous. A bit of a different video for me today because I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I was fortunate enough to be accepted recently onto the Pretty Gets Gritty design team run by Lynette Jasper. It's her company, and she makes a range of different mediums as well as stamps and stencils and dies. And as part of my welcome to the team, I've been sent this box of goodies, so I thought I would go through it for the first time with you to see what I've been sent. Just to make clear that I was not sent these products to make a video with. That's been my choice, so this is not sponsored, but these have been sent to me as a member of the design team to use for making other things. So I'm going to put it, well, I'm going to open it up to start with, then we'll put it to the side. So we've got some bubble wrap that we will keep. Let's put it to the side. So we have got some marble texture paste. This is, I think, a really thick and hard texture paste. This has actually got proper marble in it. We've got some transparent gesso, black gesso, and so I'm going to guess that this third one is going to be white gesso. So always can never have too many gessos. We've got some more paste. We've got the graphite paste. I think this is sort of like a grey or a black type of paste, so that'll be really good fun to use. Gel medium, always really useful for sticking things down and also using through stencils. We've got here two patina creams. We've got sapphire and black. So I'm not, let's have a little look what it says. It says is a water-based wax that can be used on any prime surface. So it's a bit like a gilding wax. Quite often you can add water and use them a bit of a paint as well, I think. So I've got your two patinas there. We have got some crackled, oh, that one's a crackled gel sepia. Oh, that'd be nice for some steampunk or rusty effects. And we've also got some pretty out there. I'm guessing this is like a water-based acrylic texture gel with bright pigment that dries with a pearl finish. Oh, so it's another sort of gel, but this one is one of the, all right, so, wow, that is very much out there, isn't it? Outrageously Jojo, that one. We've got some more crackled gel. We've got Regal, which is like a purple, and some more pretty out there. We've got Bossed, which is a green. Oh, look at those two together. They're pretty funky. And then we've got another crackle gel. We've got the lemon. So we've got a sepia, a lemon, and a purple. So that's a nice colour combination there. I think I've got a few things there that I'm going to not put out because I've got to do them. They shouldn't be out. Now I've got some pretty amazing sprays. Let's take these out. We've got, oh, don't know how they're attached. Let me have a look. Oh, there we go. Sorry for all the crackling. We have got Coastal Waters, Iced Sunshine, and Emerald Haze. So these have a mica in them, so you make sure that you do swish them around before you use them. But they're some beautiful colours. Let's pop those there. Oh, and then we've got, let's put that over there, some stamps. So we've got Thumbs Up, and they're lovely clear stamps. That is such a big stamp. That's my hand, that's the stamp. We've got, oh, nice, Cracked Up. Very nice crackle one there. Oh, Bubble Hopper. That's cute. I like that one. I'll put it on that so you can see. So we've got the barbed wire, we've got our grasshopper, and lots of bubbles. Let's put those down here. We have got some dies. We have got the Pretty Picasso, and we've got the Pretty Elemental. I love those. I love those, the light bulbs in particular. They're fab, and the keys are really nice sets. So they're really nice. So it's all really nice. some more stamps. We have got Pretty Positive. Oops, I'm going to have to move some of these out of the way so that I can put that down there a bit. Pretty Positive. So we've got some sort of floral elements and some words as well. So positive mind, positive vibes, positive life. That's a nice set. And we have got Pretty Thoughts. Beautiful butterflies there. And I love that leaf. That's a really, look at the detail in that leaf. It's amazing. Change your thoughts and you change the world. And then some of my favourite stamps are these sorts of stamps with all the little words on them. So this one is Pretty Gets Gritty, Gritty Vibes. So you've got lots of words, but you can make a real combination of words to make up your own sentiments and phrases. And then we've got some stencils. One I've seen before. It's really nice. This is Pretty Acoustic. It's lots of like dots going down, so it's more like a bit like a sound wave. Try not to let that light shine on that there. And then we've got Pretty Masked. So this one is a mask rather than a stencil. So it's covered. The design is actually the solid part, but it's one of my favourite things. Circles. And then we have got some. Oh, here we go. Look on that side. This one is, doesn't have a name, but it is words there. You see that? And last but not least, we've got a really big stencil, some light bulbs, a bit of crackle, and then we've got the sort of the pipes there. If I turn it over, you'll be able to actually see on there. Oh, Pretty Industrial. This one's called. So the other one must. No, the other one hasn't got a name, but that one's called Pretty Industrial. So there you go. So that's my design team box from Pretty Gets Gritty. I'll pop some of those back in there. So I will be hopefully making something very soon to put on my channel. And oh, I'm really sorry, I have really knocked that camera. So that's my unboxing for today. Thank you very much for watching, and look out for some videos using these products. Bye.